This is Tom Nunamaker with Capital Discussions. This is my trading update for July 28th, 2014. So we have the markets, their regular trading is closed. Here's the VIX futures going out the next several months. Looks like everything's going up nicely, so we're still in contango. The markets were, SPX was up 31 cents. ES futures are currently up $1. That doesn't really tell the whole story though. Let me show you the chart. So we opened a little lower, sold off, and then recovered, and actually went up slightly on the day. If we expand this to just today, say 3-minute bars, you can see it's pretty good sell-off, nice recovery, and then basically closed unchanged. So the market's kind of waiting for some events. There's quite a bit coming up this week. Here's the volatility. So what you're looking at here, the red line that is the y-axis on the left, that's the ES futures options. The candles, or open, high, low, close bars, the colored ones, that's the VIX, and this is this is 1 day 3-minute bars, so this is what happened within the day. And this axis is on the right side, the vertical axis. The blue, purple, and yellow gold colors are the 3 futures contracts going at August, September, October. So you can see that as long as these futures contracts aren't crossing, there's still some separation between them. We're in the normal contango state, normal market conditions, and we're just making sure that they don't cross. So if this one would be higher than that, that would be a good sign of backwardation. So we can monitor this chart to see, as long as everything's spaced like this and no crossing of the lines. You remember in what was the movie? You remember in Ghostbusters when they couldn't cross the beams at the end? Well, we don't want these lines to cross, just like the beams of energy shouldn't be crossed in the movie. So if we look at option view, here's our SPX trade. We are currently up a little over $500. Greeks are looking okay, and here's our chart. So if we look at T+17, if we right click on it, we'll see that August 14th, so a little over 2 weeks, 17 days. We have a 94% probability of profit and expect a return of 1800. We're currently at 500, so still some good profit to go. If we look at the profit in 17 days, it could be almost $2,000. Our expiration profit here is 1700, so could get a little bit of a bump if we hold it 17 more days and it stays in this area. If it keeps selling off a little bit, then that could go up. Let's take a look at the price chart, longer term. I gotta turn the toolbar on. Price chart, and we could look at a interactive brokers chart too. But if we use the birdie on here, we see we still have a good profit zone. As long as we stay above 1950-ish, we'll be in good shape. If it starts selling off a lot aggressively, then we'll have to defend aggressively. But for now, that's a nice recovery. So we actually held our trend line, so that's good. And we'll see how all these reports affect the market. The FOMC meeting coming up, and all the reports on Friday. I'll keep you updated. Going into these events, we have quite a bit of room on the downside if the markets start reacting. If they do go aggressively to the downside, we'll have to be aggressive defending it, and we'll just probably buy some futures short term just to get some negative delta. But anyway, that's the trade update for today. Thanks a lot. Bye.